Hey there, iOS enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic tip for you. We'll show you how to enable standby mode always on iOS 17 so you never miss a beat. So if you want to have your standby mode always on without tapping screen every time you want to see your notifications and time, follow the steps. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and find option called Standby. Click on it. Here you can see various of options about standby mode. The option that we need is called Always On. Select Always On to keep your device in standby mode all the time. This means your screen will always display important information like notifications and the current time. And that's it! You're all set to stay connected effortlessly with iOS 17 standby mode always. Note that this option is only available on iPhone 14 Pro and newer models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.